Hello friend, welcome back. In TestCase Studio, we have added a much awaited feature which you all have asked. Can we replay or rerun the same recorded test case? So yes, now we have made it possible. Now you can rerun the test case which you have recorded in TestCase Studio just in one click. And now you can call TestCase Studio as record and play tool as well. So let me show you how easy and flawless it is. Earlier we couldn't achieve this because we were always facing the challenge that the script was not always running and that was not stable, but now we have achieved this. So what you have to do, same way, just click on the TestCase Studio logo here and that's it. Like earlier you were doing whatever, let's say you wanted to enter some here, value here, some password here, some name here. Okay, we have performed like 3 steps. So if you open TestCase Studio, you see that here on the top you will find that run, pause, stop, these button to run the script. Run this test case again, just click on this run and you see it has opened the page, it has entered the value, and all 3 steps has been executed here. So this way you can see that all 3 steps has been done, and here it is done. 5 passed, 0 failed, 5 steps were there, all 5 has been executed. You want to rerun, you can rerun. If you want to, by default it will keep the window open. If you want to close after executing the script, then you select this, and now if you will run this, it will open, run the steps, and it will close that. You see that it is running and it will done, close. So this is going to be very helpful. Whenever you found any bug, it will all automatically like you can re-execute and see whether there is a bug or not. And if in any case, like if you want to execute, you can execute. You can also export this report. You can download this script here, and let's say you have closed TestCase Studio, okay, and after some time if you reopen and you want to re-execute the script which you have downloaded, you can import that script here. You can select and import and run, or just import only. If you click on import only, it will import only here. If you want to execute this, you can click and it will execute this script. So this way you can now rerun the steps, or you can say test case, which you have recorded in TestCase Studio, and you can run that. While running this, let's say we run this, and if you want to pause this, you can pause this as well. You want to resume, you can resume it as well. And if you want to stop, you can stop. Normal 0.8 second for each and every step it will take that much time. So this is the new feature in TestCase Studio, guys. Please explore this. I hope you all will find this very useful. If you face any challenge, do let us know in the comment section, or you can always write to us on support@selectorshub.com. and if you want to explore more advanced feature, then do check out our TestCase Studio Pro version. That will be very helpful. And if you like this tool, please give it a good rating at Chrome Store and share it with others. If you haven't installed it, it's available here, TestCase Studio, in SelectorsHub website, and you can install it from Chrome Store. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.